Hey guys, my name is Kevin Carr. I'm a software engineer. I'm about to take the AWS Solutions Architect exam, the associate version, and I'm doing so for work. But even if it wasn't required, or not necessarily required, but encouraged at my work, I would also be doing it for myself, just because I feel that the certification is very valuable, not only in terms of the marketplace, but also just the kind of base knowledge to be able to scalably deploy your own software and web applications using AWS or Amazon Web Services as a tool. So how I'm particularly studying or preparing for these exams is kind of somewhat similar to a technique or tactic I've learned in James Clear's Atomic Habits. In that book, one of the Jeopardy champions, instead of just generally studying any type of trivia, he was able to more succinctly or in a more efficient amount of time search all the previously asked Jeopardy questions and test himself based on that. And then he was able to identify weak areas in his knowledge. In his particular case, he was very weak at fashion trivia. But he was able to develop a repetitive software that asked him the right questions at the right time, where he was improving his memory. In kind of the same way, how I'm approaching my study patterns or how I'm studying for this exam is, so how I'm approaching studying for this AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam is by going to Udemy and other sites, but the two great practice tests I found have been on Udemy, John Bonzo and Stefan Merrick's practice exams for this exam. So what I do first is I just take a bunch of exams, see what I get wrong, and then focus on those problem areas. So for example, Stefan Merrick's Udemy course, he actually gives a detailed breakdown on where exactly in the AWS documentation that you got the wrong answer, why the right answer is the right answer. And I think that's a very solid approach compared to just taking a whole course and going through it exactly like that. In terms of my strategy, what I do first is take the exam, see what I get wrong, and then go through that documentation, but also go back and take the exam, see what I got wrong. And if I see a certain topic that I keep on getting wrong, let's say it's EC2 or maybe something with networking and VPCs, then I'll go to the particular course I have. For example, in this case, I have a Cloud Guru and go through that section. I think it's a little bit more efficient than just trying to go the course route first and then the exams. So the exams basically provide myself with a litmus test to see the topics I need to study more. So it's just something quick. I will report back with the results of this kind of study pattern and see how effective it was in making me get the AWS certification. I think it's going to be very fruitful, but I'll update you guys with the results. Anyways, guys, hope to see you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Cheers.